These houses are one of the latest developments in the future of sustainable housing communities. Currently being built in Bristol, they may look like most other houses. However, what isn't obvious is that they are made out of straw. Following a 3-year research project working with ModCell, the University of Bath has developed a new factory-built straw panel, which is the first to receive the BM Trada's Q-Mark certification. This means that property developers and house buyers can now insure and secure mortgages against homes, schools and offices built using the sustainable construction method. Professor Pete Walker, who is head of the university's Department of Architecture and Civil Engineering, led this research project and explains the different advantages of using straw as a building material.
Straw is a very good building material for a variety of reasons. First and foremost, it provides comfortable, energy-efficient buildings for occupants. But the straw is also a renewable source. It is a co-product of agriculture and therefore doesn't deplete other resources on the planet. And unlike other bio-based building materials, it doesn't displace food crops because it is part of existing food crop supply chain. Over the past 3 years of research, we've looked at a variety of different aspects of the performance of straw. Two that particularly come to mind of concerns or apprehension from potential users of straw is fire resistance and the durability or weather resistance. So we have conducted a number of fire tests which have demonstrated that the fire resistance of straw bale construction is remarkably good and actually better than many contemporary forms of construction. In terms of durability, we've undertaken laboratory tests, we've undertaken monitoring of existing buildings, and we've also done accelerated weathering tests, and the results of all of this research suggest that straw is indeed a very durable construction solution.
Straw-built homes have a large number of benefits and not only present a super-insulated, low-carbon alternative to traditional house building methods, but also could bring an end to fuel poverty for future generations. This housing development in Shirehampton consists of 7 new townhouses, built using the innovative ModCell straw panels, in which an engineered timber frame encloses the compressed straw bale insulation. Constructed with load-bearing straw panels within an airtight design, the new houses will need significantly less conventional heating than similar traditionally built homes. Their super-insulated straw walls provide 3 times greater insulation than required by UK building regulations, so fuel bills are anticipated to be greatly reduced.
So we're building in Shirehampton and we're surrounded by red brick buildings, good solid design done in the 1950s. When we came to do the proposal for here, one of the conditions for the planning permission was that we had to use brick. At first we didn't think that was the right response given that we're building in straw. I think what's going to be interesting is that this will look like every other house around it, but its heating bills will be 90% less.
The many benefits of straw have seen a steady increase in straw bale construction around the world. So how does Professor Walker assess the significance of this research and certification?
First and foremost, the work has demonstrated that straw bales provide safe, affordable and durable buildings, make contributions to reducing fuel poverty and significantly reducing the energy bills of building occupants. Secondly, there are wider benefits. Buildings contribute to around 50% of the carbon emissions of this country. By producing lower carbon buildings, buildings such as straw bale and other techniques can help the government meet its international targets of reducing carbon emissions by 80% by 2050.